In this tutorial, I will tell you how to make anime stylized with shader in Blender. Before starting video, I want to explain some steps to make easy. Step 1. We will make this lines using wave texture. Step 2. We will add details using noise texture. Step 3. We will finish the wood shader adding extra nodes. First, change the color management to standard. Add a new shader. Delete the principal BSDF shader. Add a wave texture. Add a texture coordinate node and mapping node. Change the texture coordinate to abject. Follow the steps showing in the video. Change wave texture scale. In my case, 0.8 is fine if you want to change. Add a color ramp. Adjust the color ramp showing in the video. Add a mix color and connect the color ramp to mix color factor. Add the color. Add a noise texture. Add a texture coordinate and mapping nodes, and change texture coordinate to object. Add a color ramp. Change the mapping scale showing in the video. Adjust the color ramp showing in the video. Add a mix color. Follow step showing in the video. Change the mix color into the multiply. Add diffuse BSDF node. Add a shader to RGB node. Add a color ramp node. Change the color ramp linear to constant, and adjust the color ramp showing in the video. Duplicate the mix node and follow the steps showing in the video. Duplicate diffuse BSDF and shader to RGB nodes and follow the steps showing the video. Add a mix color node in between mix color and diffuse BSDF nodes. Change mix to color dodge. Add a color and follow the steps showing in the video. We finished the shader. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and comment next what tutorial I want to make.